Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out the brand new Colourpop and Becky G collection. So I know this is a little late. I actually went to the event and I wasn't sure if I was going to get the collection at the event or I was going to get it sent to me, but I was talking to Jordan and she was like, oh yeah, it's going to be sent out in waves. So I didn't get it till like the afternoon before the collection launched. So a lot of you guys on Instagram, when I had showed it on my Instagram stories unboxing it and stuff, so many of you guys told me to still do a video on it. And then I did a poll on Twitter. It was like won by like a landslide that most of you guys wanted to see this video. So I'm here to bring you this today. So like I said, this collection has already launched. I just checked on the Colourpop website and it seems that everything is still in stock. So that's great. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna give you a little information on the collection really quick. I did get this in PR. They sent it to me. It came in this cute little box. The palette, I love the packaging of this. It just reminds me of like, I don't know, you have Olvera Street in LA. That's what it reminds me of. The packaging on everything is so freaking cute. First thing we have is the Salvaje palette. This is $18. It's just like all their other palettes. It has the 12 shadows and it also has a mirror. I love that it has the same like design on the actual palette as well. So you can throw away the box if you don't want to keep it because the actual palette is stunning. So I love the shades in here. It has a mixture of like warm reddish tones, some browns, and some pops of color. This is obviously what I have on my eyes today. I think that the colors inside really correspond with the packaging as well. Like, that makes me really happy. We have two loose powder highlighters. We have Princesa and we have Chisme. When I saw that there was a highlighter called Chisme, I about fell to the ground. I was like, I need that immediately. These are $7. I'm wearing Chisme on my cheeks right now, but Princesa is so freaking pretty too. It is so unique and I think both of these are bomb. There are 5 lip products in this collection. While I was actually doing my makeup, I didn't realize until like 10 minutes ago that I am missing one of the lipsticks, so I got doubles of Bethlehem. Swatches are only be 4 of them. There is one more, which of course my luck was probably like one of my favorite shades out of the collection. Seen that one, but we have Bethlehem, Flor, Mija, and Chola. I love the names. These are all $6.50 and I think all these shades are so pretty. I'm very excited for this collection mainly because I'm like that person that like really likes the names of things, and when I saw the names I was really excited. And like I'm saying, when I saw like Chisme, Mija, Chola, the Latina in me jumped out. Okay, I had a time at the event as well. It was such a cute event. I posted pictures and like Instagram stories on my Instagram if you guys didn't see that. But it was super fun and super cute in there. They had tacos, they had like everything I could have asked for at an event. It was great. Thank you to Colourpop and Becky G for having me, by the way. So if you want to see how I got this look right here and also my thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. First of all, my neighbor decided to mow his lawn right as I started to film, so that's fantastic. So we're gonna go into the palette. There are 2 pops of color. I might use those like on the lower lash line because they are matte, and the reddish, I don't know, the warm tones, I'm kind of feeling the warm tones today. I'm going to start off with the shade Lola, which is this like orangey shade. I'm going to use that as my transition shade and I'm just going to start packing that on. I think my brush is still wet. Crap. Damn it. Okay, that is not the shadow, that is my brush's fault. I'm just going to start packing that on into the crease and blending it out. I'm using this as my transition shade. I'm just going to blend that upward. My lighting changed, but we're going to go with it. I like when palettes have color in it. I do appreciate the pops of color in here because they are really pretty colors. Do you guys see my Christmas tree in the background? You can't really see it because I'm always covering it, but it's there. We're in the Christmas spirit. It's a black Christmas tree. Are we surprised? Went into the shade Malbec. It's like a mauvey brown. This shade looks really, really pretty and I'm very excited for this shade. So I'm just packing that on. Kind of doing the same exact thing. I love this color. Wow. It is so pretty. It's like it's mauvey brown. That's like the only thing I can really think of like when I think of the color. It is so pretty. Packing that on, that color was actually a lot more pigmented than I was expecting, so I'm gonna slowly build it up on this eye. Next, I'm going into the shade Sangria, which is this really pretty burgundy kind of maroon shade. This shade looks really pigmented, so I'm gonna tap off the excess and then I'm gonna slowly pack this shade on. Yeah, this shade is super, super, super pigmented. I tapped a lot of that shadow off and it's still really pigmented. Packing that on the outer corner, I'm just packing that shade on. Okay, I love this shade. It definitely like deepened up the look a lot and it's such a pretty shade. So I'm just bringing that into the crease, kind of taking that shade halfway on to my lid, like just right here. Go into the shade Trona, which is this shade right here. Wet this a little bit because it looks like it's one of those shadows that would look better wet. Put that on the other half of my lid and blend that into Sangria. That is a beautiful shade. And doing like a half cut crease without doing a half cut crease. Also I think I'm gonna blend that into the crease a little bit too, just so it's kind of all just blown out. I have that lid shade down. I'm gonna go back in with Sangria and just blend that into the shade we put in our lid, just so everything is nice and blended. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and we'll do the lower lash line. Just got my freaking Colourpop package as we speak, which has my concealers in it, which I've needed so badly because I ran out of my concealer like 2 weeks ago and I've been dying. So this came at like the perfect time. So I'll be right back. Now that I have the rest of my face on, I just need my lower lash line and highlight and stuff into this shade right here. It is like a deep teal shade. I really just want to use this on the lower lash line. So I'm going to put this closest to my lash line, like right by my waterline. Little shader brush for this, just so I could pack the color close to the waterline. Once I have that shadow down, I'm gonna go into Serena, I don't know, whatever it is. I'm going into that one with my Time 204 brush. You guys know this is my favorite. And I'm just gonna blend that shade out. This is like a brighter, like turquoise color. And I'm just using that to blend that out basically. Going back with that shade to kind of touch it up to see if I lost it while I was blending the other shade out. Go into highlight. There is two of them. There is Princesa and Chisme. I have to use Chisme. Like when I saw this, I was like, yes, I need to use that. So they are a loose highlighter. Loose highlighters, I like to use their small fluff brush, but I have no idea where that brush is at right now. And oh, I found it with this one. So I'm taking a little bit in the cap and I'm just gonna put that on my cheekbones. And like I said, I'm using their small fluff brush. I like this brush for their loose highlighters. Ooh, that's really pretty. This is like gold. Oh no, it has a little bit of like a champagne to it. So it's not like super yellow gold, which I hate like yellowy gold highlighters. But this one's really pretty and it's not too yellow, which I like. I'm taking a little bit of that on my temples. I'll wet my brush and see how that looks, if it makes it a little bit more intense. I got Fix Plus in my mouth. So I just took a little bit more. Oh yeah, that definitely intensifies it. I just wet my brush like a little bit too. Like I didn't really douse it. I kind of just made it a little damp. So I'm just kind of sweeping that on my cheeks. I do like the other one too, but for this look, I feel like this one suits the look the best. Take that highlighter for my inner corner. Ooh, that is so pretty. As an inner corner highlight, wow. That's really, really nice. I'm gonna take a little bit of that on my brow bone too. Just a little bit. I don't like to highlight my brow bone that much because I have stopped doing my eyebrows and it accentuates that I haven't done them. So finish up my eyes with lashes and all that good stuff, and I'll come back. We have some really pretty lip colors which I'm really excited to use, so be right back. Also, like I said, I just got my Colourpop order in, ran out of my concealer, and they changed the packaging. Like this is like, let me show you. This was like a little bit more, not matte, but it would get dirty so easily, and now this one's like, you can just rub it off and it cleans. Thank God, because my concealers were like a hot mess. So now they don't look that much of a hot mess anymore. Thank you, Colourpop. So last but not least, we have lips, and we actually have 5 lip products in this collection. So I don't know which I want to wear yet. I really want to wear Chola. Does it go with it? I don't know. We also have Mija, which I kind of want to wear too, but I feel like that one's a little light. Flor is a good shade too, but it's a little orangey. I love this shade though. You know what? We're gonna go with Chola, and I just realized I got 2 of the same colors. Great. Let me see what one of the other colors is, because I got 2 of Besame. So let me check what the other shade is that was supposed to be in here. Should be like a shade that I would really like. That would happen to me. That happened to me with the Disney collection, remember? In Secreto, which my look is probably my favorite shade. So that's great. Yeah, so I will put one of these aside for a giveaway. Use Chola and see how this looks. This is like a brownish red. Ooh. That's pretty. Yeah, I like this shade. Really sad. I really like that other one that I didn't get in. They just sent me 2 by accident, but it's fine. We'll live. This is the finished look. I really like it. I really like the blue lower lash line. I love the dark lip. Let me kind of give you final thoughts on this collection. I think that this collection is really, really pretty. You can create a lot of different looks with this palette. I really like the pops of color in here, and I think you could do something really warm. You could use the browns in here. I didn't use the brown shades, but you could definitely do something with that. The Corona shade is like the perfect yellowy gold, which I really like, and I think it would look really pretty with those brown shades. Same with Estrella. But I love the red shades. I think you can get like a red tone look. You could do more warm tone browns. You could do something with the blues. You can use the blues as pop of as a pop of color like I did on the lower lash line. All the lip colors minus the one that I didn't get, but even that one, every single one of these lip colors is so pretty. I like literally every single one. This Mija shade will look so pretty with like, I don't know, but I'm excited to wear this one a lot. Same with Flor. It's like the perfect like orangey tones, and Besame looks like a really pretty like deeper red. It's not like dark red, but it's definitely not like a true red either. At least it doesn't look like it in the bottle. But I think all the lip colors are really, really nice, and I love the names of them. For the highlighters, I think both of these are also really stunning. I think the gold one will be perfect for like my skin tone. I think it'll also work on like more medium tan. I don't know how this will look on deeper skin tones. These both are really pretty. I think this one is so unique. It is like a pearly pink. This one will work on a lot of skin tones too, because it's not like true white. It looks white in the bottle, but it has like that pink reflect to it. It is literally stunning, but it also has a little bit of like peach in there too, so I think this one will work on a good amount of skin tones as well. So I think that this collection was really, really good. So it is a lot of like warm tones and stuff. I feel like it's very fitting for her, and I don't know, I just think that this is really good. I like everything in here. I think that the colors and everything, I say this in like every collection video, but I like when everything kind of is very cohesive. I can use all the lip colors for a look with the palette, and I think that the highlighters go well with the looks and stuff like that. So I think everything is very cohesive throughout the collection, and I really like it. My favorite thing out of the collection will probably be the lip products and the highlighters. I think those two are my favorite, but I think all in all everything is fantastic. I highly recommend this collection. I know it's already out and launched. If you guys like this video, I hope that this was helpful for you guys since so many of you guys asked me to do a video on it. I hope that my thoughts and trying everything out was helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.